Hey, it's Steve with ARackAbove. I'm here with Jacob, and we just got done installing a two-car garage ARackAbove in his garage, and I wanted to ask him a couple questions because I came in to give you a consultation about your drive, about the garage, and you said you weren't ready. I got back in my car, started making a few phone calls, and you called me and said what?
You know what? I want it done. I love the idea. I love this. I need this space. I came from a place that had a lot of space, and I had racks, and I hate the idea of leaving it behind. And now this one, I can take it wherever I go. That's the best part.
And you rent this home, correct?
Exactly. I rent, so I don't want to leave this behind.
Yeah, so his garage was a little bit longer than standard because of this door right here. So we had to pull the rack in a little bit. But Jacob is now able to put all his stuff that he has from moving in up on the rack, and he will get years and years and years of satisfaction.
Yeah. And it's easy to do. I don't have to use a big ladder. And I made one myself, a whole house, whole half garage. And it cost
Go
me
ahead
more.
and grab that suitcase and put it up there. Show people how easy it is for you to access things.
There you go. Look at that.
That's it.
And I can walk under it. So.
And you can go to both sides. You can get to the other side as well.